Freaky Friday, payday in America, fast running independent day and aggressive yuppie day. Let's get it. Let's talk about Jasmy. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Now, you can see here Jasmy looking to make a move. I will say this, we did get some bullish news in the macro. As you can see right here, the September PCE inflation, the Fed's preferred inflation metric falls to 3.4% in line with the expectations. Core PCE inflation fell to 3.7 in line with expectations. So it seems like even in the midst of certain prices rising, we are still taming inflation, if you want to use that word tame. But the inflation is down for the first time in 3 months. So people would argue, is it time for the Fed to pivot or cut? And that will be extremely bullish for the crypto market as it's starting to decouple away from the traditional stock market. I know history says on cuts, usually we dump, but seeing the fact that we're starting to see the crypto market decouple away from the stock market and kind of like correlate with gold, which that's what we want to see. It shows that people are flighting away from the U.S. dollar or these currencies and looking to hop into crypto, or should I say Bitcoin, as that hedge against inflation and store value. And even me, looking at certain things in my account, I was like, maybe I'm a little bit underexposed in Bitcoin, and I should really, think about utilizing 100% of my savings in Bitcoin if we're truly in a bullish market. And I was thinking about it, how am I losing? My money is just sitting in the savings account. It's not doing nothing. Why not just put my whole savings account in Bitcoin if we are truly bullish? But only time will tell. I will say this about Jasmy. You can see here that we did pump 20% in the last 8 days. Okay, we didn't know that we was going to get all of this bullish momentum as far as the ETF and Bitcoin just flying, but this is a testimony, and it shows you guys that when Bitcoin flies, a lot of these altcoins, it doesn't matter if they're old or new, will go parabolic, and I expect insane moves from Jasmy as it has one of the most bullish teams in the space, a working product, the secure PC, and also a use case, which is monetizing and securing data. So we are out of that buy zone. I would love to see us come back and retest the now support that was resistance sitting at 2032. If not, I am looking to load my bags up. So it's a few cryptocurrencies today that I'm looking to load my bag up. Jasmy, H-Bar, and also Doja Mars. So salute to the Doja Mars team. They told me to let y'all know. So I will let y'all know when I fill those bags up. But again, I'm at a crossroad because I really want to enter the market heavily today, but and especially after the news from the inflation. And I don't know, I'm kind of having like cold feet or cold hands, if you want to call it. But in my opinion, if you truly believe in crypto, and this is something I got to ask myself, well, Millie, what are you waiting for? So at the end of the day, if we are truly bullish, I'm starting to feel real close to just making that move and generally entering the market in a real bullish manner. I will say this, as far as my Jasmy DCA, I'm waiting for the stock RSI to capitulate, but last time the stock RSI hung out here of weeks, as you can see. So it is possible that it hangs out here weeks. So I know buying at an overbought level is not technically, good, but we're so far down that even buying now is still massive opportunity with the Jasmy token. So in my opinion, it's altcoins really didn't rally yet, especially the mid caps. This is a good post from Neoetrix. He says Jasmy is continuing with this expansion plan. The company plans to establish bases in the U.S. and Asia. You can see here, Jasmy plans on establishing a base on the west coast of the United States, and this is coming from a Jasmy ambassador, so it's not just like no BS news. Establishing a base from the west coast of the United States, that's going to be huge to promote business alliances, business development in the North American region, promote alliances with joint development with companies with cutting edge technology such as blockchain and AI, as well as alliances with companies that develop services globally. So they're also working on establishing a base to promote IoT technology. We talked about how IoT will be a huge narrative. And data is the new oil, right? Global utilization of the virtual currency Jasmy, fintech and financial companies that support the democratization of data advocated by Jasmy are promoting collaborating with virtual currency. So really working to spread out their wings and collaborate across the world, not just specifically Japan. So this is what we want to see: diversity across the world. I think a lot of people, if put into the right faces, will adopt the Jasmy blockchain PC. We've seen a massive move during COVID-19 where these call centers were utilizing those blockchain PCs. So again, we have a working product. That's what matters the most, and it generates revenue. So Jasmy is not specifically built upon speculation, and we know that the team has had massive success with Sony. So Jasmy it's looking good, man. It's looking like it's ready to make a move. Unfortunately, I don't want to see it make a move so quickly, but again, I think we're getting some bullish momentum here after the PCE news came out. Yeah, Bitcoin sitting at 34.1. So yeah, I think that news will be looked at as bullish because a lot of people have been a little bit concerned about the macro environment and scared to really deploy. Believe it or not, a lot of people are on the sidelines and are ready to put capital in crypto, but they're sitting on cold hands right now, like myself, because it's like, wow, we're in a recession. But again, Millie, remind yourself, crypto is the future. Crypto is here to stay, and DCAing is the way. So we'll continue to monitor Jasmy, Bitcoin, and the entire crypto market. Make sure you guys comment on the video. Consider joining the Patreon. I just dropped a full interview with Token Metrics, Eon Bellini himself, and we'll be dropping clips on the channel if you want to wait for the clips. We also have a free Discord, so just consider some of the links in the description. Interact with the video. We really need the algorithms and push this awareness of the Jasmy token. Jasmy community has always been supportive, so I do appreciate you guys. And we're going to the top, man. We're going to the top. Looks like that news was bullish, so I'll be opening a few trades today. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.